Today we got a call for a light switch that was broke. So today we're going to swap out the light switch, and also discovering the light switch. We also discovered a couple outlets that are not working. So we're probably going to swap those out too. And as you can see, here's the light switch right there. So we'll be replacing that. Also, we got another outlet that's out. As you can see, that's not working. Got that one working. So we'll be replacing outlets again today. So that's what's going on. Another one. Alrighty, so we shut off the power in the unit. There we go. Make sure everything's off. Well, not in the unit, but just for the lights. And then we get ready for the change out. Don't know why they had black electrical tape wrapped around this, but I recommend don't doing this. Don't wrap black tape around this for future reference. As you can see, got it all hooked up. All I gotta do is put it back in the slot. There goes the old one. Changed it out. The switch was just broken. New switch. Put it back. New switch. Turn the breaker back on. See the lights. See the switch. Now that's finished work. Got the new outlet in. All nice and hooked up. Bad outlet. Alright. That outlet's good. That outlet's good. One more to go. As you can see, we got the outlets changed out. They working. So it was 2 outlets and a light switch today. Y'all have a good day.